Hello, my amazing people. Now, today we are going to learn about how angels communicate with us. Angel signs, how they connect with us is such beautiful and pure. Let's get into it. Angel can't really actually speak to all people like normal people do. जैसे हम एक दूसरे के साथ बात करते हैं, angel doesn't do that. But believe me, when you connect with angels, when you have that connection, when you become so close, you can actually chit chat with them. They listen to you, and your intuition gives you the signs that they are communicating something. जैसे वो जो भी बोलते हैं ना, आपको समझ में आने लगती है. Although they can listen to the smallest of the problem, आपका छोटी से छोटी problem they understand. But they have their different ways to communicate with us. वो अलग तरीके से communicate करते हैं. They do not come and start speaking in front of us. However, they speak through different languages. This is their way of communicating with you. Below mentioned are some of the common signs that angels may use to convey their message and make their presence known. So आपको पता कैसे चलेगा? When you start seeing feathers. Feathers are the most common and most obvious signs that angels are present around you. Angels जब आपके सामने होते हैं, suddenly आपको कहीं पे भी एक feather मिल गया, understand that angels have just visited you. You may stumble across a feather of any color to make out that an angel just visited you. The color of the fair will help you to identify the angel present around us. जैसे uh, we connect Archangel Michael with blue light. We resonate Archangel Uriel with golden light. So वैसे हर एक कलर्स के साथ हम resonate कर सकते हैं. So when you are getting a feather, understand that angels have visited you in a place जहाँ पे feather आने की कोई बात ही नहीं है. Like one day, although I will teach you what are the processes, how you sit and meditate and connect with the angels, how you do healing. But one day, I was like morning, I woke up, I was sitting and I was doing angel healing. I don't know what it came to my mind though, that whether it works or not, I don't know. I just felt like, sitting on my bed and do some meditation and do angel healing. मैंने बस इतना सोचा, मैं बैठ के angel healing कर रही थी. पता नहीं सही है कि गलत है, क्योंकि हमें सिखाया है साफ सुथरे प्लेस में करना है. Now, the moment I opened my bedroom का door, I saw a feather. मेरे घर के पूरा घर है ऐसा मान लो, उसके बीच में my bedroom is this side, so all the windows are closed. I don't know how I got that feather. So how beautifully angels communicate with us. जो मैं सवाल पूछ रही थी, I don't know angels whether it is right or wrong. Angel healing कर रही हूँ, पता नहीं सही है या गलत है. They came and showed me the symbol. So this is how angel communicate. Not only this, I came across angel healing long back जब मुझे मैं सीख रही थी. The mentor from outside, she was like this and that angels blah blah blah, and I didn't believe anything about it. Trust me. She said अभी आप believe नहीं कर पा रहे हो, but after few days you will start believing. You will start seeing signs and symbols, because this program is meant for people जो जिनके साथ एंजल्स कनेक्ट करना चाहते हैं. ओके, इट्स नॉट दैट एनी रैंडम पर्सन वांट्स टू कम एंड कैन ज्वाइन, क्योंकि लोगों को बिलीव ही नहीं होगा, फेथ ही नहीं होगा. सो इसके बाद क्या हुआ, कुछ दिन बाद, जस्ट आई थिंक 10-15 days, आई गॉट अ फेदर इनसाइड माई wardrobe. कैन यू बिलीव कहाँ से आया वो? एंड दैट वॉज ब्लैक कलर. सो आई गॉट लिटिल स्कैर्ड. ब्लैक कलर हम थोड़ा रेजोनेट करते हैं नेगेटिव चीज के साथ, राइट? आई टेक्सटेड हर, शी वॉज फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. आई टेक्सटेड हर, व्हाट्सएप किया मैंने उनको. फिर she replied that yes, it means you are protected. So black feather means that they are giving you protection. Hence, be happy. Another another way is songs or listening to others. Songs are another way angels communicate their messages with you. Suddenly, out of nowhere, if you hear a song, take it as a message from your angel. Pay attention to the song or lyrics as they hold the key information. Sometimes you made to hear only a certain phrase or line which you need to know by your angels. They will make you make sure you hit the correct word, line or phrase. जैसे हम मान लो हमारे दिमाग में कुछ सवाल चल रहा है या something is just running in our head, and that's where we come across a song. हमें एक गाना सुनाई देता है and bingo, that's my answer. मैं सवाल पूछ रही थी, ये जो सॉन्ग का मीनिंग है एग्जैक्टली वही है दैट आई नीड टू हियर. ओके, सो एंजल्स आपको इस तरह से साइंस देते हैं. सो वी विल लर्न अबाउट मोर एंजल साइन इन द कमिंग सेशन. सी यू ऑल, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.